Now let's switch gears and imagine we're an arts partner organization with an after-school orchestra program, and we'd like to find where these types of programs are and are not currently happening across the district. This information will help us with our strategic planning. We'll use artlook's enhanced browse feature to filter for schools that are currently offering concert band and/or orchestra programs. Again, we'll land on the search results page. It looks like 65 schools match our search criteria. Let's toggle to the map view to see where these schools are located across the district. Finally, let's download this list of schools with the appropriate contact information and save it to our desktop. If you'd like to navigate back to the home page, click the Artlook map logo at the top of the page. Thanks for watching this video on finding the right partner.